the complete guide to Lean Six Sigma Green Belt training online and how it can help you become a better leader. The Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification provides the ideal groundwork for someone who wants to stand out in a process-oriented organization. It also provides individuals with knowledge and insight on practical aspects. LSSGB course can help you to become a better leader by giving you the knowledge and skills in the following leadership topics: critical thinking and analysis, innovative and analytical thinking, social influence and leadership abilities, ideation, reasoning and execution of various functions, complex problem-solving abilities. What are the benefits of Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification? Increase in revenue. By cutting wastage and enhancing the quality of production, Lean Six Sigma reduces expenses and as a result enhances profitability for companies. In a published report, General Electric made profits over and above $2 billion by implementing Lean Six Sigma. Reducing errors. With simplification in processes and studying the main causes of errors and wastage in organizations, Lean Six Sigma cuts down miscalculations, errors, and defects. Standardization and simplification of processes. By following value stream mapping, Lean Six Sigma cuts down wastage and unessential steps, resulting in efficient production. Processes get simple, are easier to follow, and are less likely to lead to error. They also cut down costs on operating expenses. Customer satisfaction. Lean Six Sigma allows companies for the betterment of processes and quality of their products, resulting in improved products at a lesser cost to the end user, thus boosting consumer loyalty to the company. Employee performance. Lean Six Sigma gives emphasis on and values ideas and performance of individual employees to overall achievement and success in an organization, resulting in an increase in the feeling of self-worthiness of employees and thus inspiring them to perform better. Individuals going for the certifications gain lots of added advantages like excellent salary structure, career advancement benefits, helps them in nurturing leadership and managerial abilities, ensure compliance, improve business processes, and sustain quality, applicability across industries, etc. How to choose the best Six Sigma training course for you. Yellow and White Belt. This certification course will provide knowledge about the basics of the Six Sigma methodologies. Six Sigma Yellow and White Belt are the basic level of certifications. Yellow and White Belts can assist with change in management and can participate in local problem-solving, team-supporting projects within an organization. It does not add a great value, so one can always skip this certification as the basics are covered in a Green Belt too. Six Sigma Green Belt. The focus of Six Sigma is on the end product and the customer, whereas Lean Six Sigma focuses on waste and production methods. Lean Six Sigma Green Belt. This course is appropriate for both beginners and experienced as it covers the basics and the details about how to apply the tools and the techniques. Lean Six Sigma provides the ideal structure, which aids in continuous improvement of processes. A significant role in these business development initiatives lies with Lean Six Sigma Green Belts. They are involved in enhancing day-to-day processes and are also important in forming and maintaining the mindset of an improvement culture. Six Sigma Black Belt. This is an advanced course appropriate only for those who have a broader experience and are required for a greater support to solve more multifaceted problems in the organization.